Hey designers, welcome back to PX Mentor, your go-to place for Figma, UI UX, and design tips. Today we're creating an animated liquid floating action button in Figma that looks super slick. Let's jump in. Open Figma. Press F to create a frame. Now press O for circles. Duplicate the circle and resize it or scale it down. Go to Effects and add Layer Blur on both circles. Press R and add a gray rectangle. Go to the Blend option and select Color Dodge. Press R again and add a black rectangle. Go to Blend option again and select Color Burn. Now select both top rectangles and lock them. This helps you easily select other layers. Yahoo! Lovely, jubbly liquid effect. Press O for another circle and make a copy of it. Now press Ctrl+K, type Iconify plugin, and pick icons according to your design. Convert these icons into components so they are reusable. Drag each icon into the circles and change the icon color from black to white. Now, group the icons below the circles. Make a copy of this frame. Select the top two circles and bring them behind the big circle, the main button. Now select the frame, click on Prototype, set the animation to Smart Animate, and the easing curve to Slow. You can set the duration to 400 milliseconds. Repeat the same prototype properties for the second frame. Now press Shift plus Spacebar to preview the prototype on iPhone. Woohoo! Here's our animated liquid FAB button in Figma. You can adjust the prototype settings again if you like. This time, select the bounce effect. And finally, play the full prototype by pressing the play icon. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to PX Mentor for more amazing Figma tips and tricks. Watch the full tutorials and playlists on our channel. See you in the next one. Happy designing!